morning and welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. So I hope you all had a good weekend. I had a kind of a weird weekend in a way, a good weekend, but I didn't get a whole lot of things done this weekend, but I finished up some projects. So I spent Saturday not feeling very well because something I ate on Friday. Oh my goodness. And then Sunday I had a really good day Sunday. My cousin called me, her and her husband called me after church on Sunday and invited me to lunch, and I went to lunch with them, and then I went to their home and we swam. They have a pool, and we swam and hung out until we got thunderstormed out. We've been having thunderstorms and rain every day last week, and unfortunately now it seems like we have more and more rain this week headed on as our storms or hurricanes out there in the Gulf Coast and stuff are swirling around. Hoping they won't come this way, but you never know. I know it's supposed to hit Houston, and so keep some of those people in your prayers, for safety and stuff. So, but I have videos for you this week, and Tuesday will be our last day of Halloween in August. I have to say, even though it was a little out of my comfort zone because I don't do a lot of Halloween, I'm going to miss that. I've had a lot of fun doing some Halloween projects and stuff. So I may do a few more throughout, the fall season, just to use up some things that I have. But I've actually quite enjoyed that. And then on Thursday, I will have my Christmas and 24 weeks of Christmas project for you. And then Thursday night, of course, will be Thursday Night Live. Now, hopefully this Thursday night will go a little bit better than past Thursday night. We were having a lot of internet issues. And I think more and more as people are staying home and doing things online, I think a lot of internet stuff has been going on, and so I think that's part of the problem. And then the storms that we've been having as well. So hopefully the internet will be cleared up a little bit and we can get that out. And then on Friday, I have the final project for my scrapbooking with me as far as the first project done. I decided to go ahead and finish decorating the book, and then I'll just do the reveal on Friday. So, I made a huge mistake on that album. Well, not really a huge mistake, but I thought I was doing a 3-inch spine, and I actually did a 4-inch spine. So it's going to be a little bit bigger, a little chunkier, but I'm loving the way that it's turning out. So I'll have that for you on Friday. And then anything else that pops up during the week, Happy Mail or anything like that, I'll I'll share it as it comes in or whatever. So, and I may have one more video for you, but I don't want to promise anything until I can get it done. So, like I said, I only did a few things this week, and I just wanted to take some time to get some rest and feel better. And maybe I need to swim every day, because last night, boy, I went out like a light bulb. I fell asleep so early, and I woke up early this morning. Woke up about 6:45 this morning from going to sleep at 9:30 last night. And so I got a lot of rest and stuff. Took some time to get up and fix breakfast this morning. Took my dogs out real early this morning, and it's been a full day already, and it's not quite 9 o'clock yet. So my videos are taking a little longer to upload right now. I'm not sure why. Like I said, the internet has been getting a lot of use lately, and just the weather itself. And when we have bad weather here, I'm telling you, it just it does something to our internet and stuff. And even the cable, we just, the company that we have pretty much has a monopoly on us. We can't really get another company to come in here, because the company we have won't allow them to tie into existing lines, and so they have to run all new lines and stuff. So we're pretty much stuck with the same company for everything. And It's the pits sometimes. But, hopefully things will, still be working. Y'all, I want you to take a minute out, because I don't have a daily devotion this morning, but I do want to take a moment to remember some people in our thoughts and prayers, and one of them is my friend Susie, from Susie's Craft Room. They had a terrible tragedy in their family. Her nephew's in the military, and they're not really sure what happened, but they found him deceased. And I think it was Friday. So there, a lot of things are going on right now with investigations and different things going on, but please keep them in your thoughts and prayers. And, our friend Lori Seabrook, different things going on there. Please keep her in your thoughts and prayers as well. And please keep me in your thoughts and prayers as we, I'm coming up toward the end of the month and got some deadlines that I need to meet, and I'm not able to meet them right now, so, with some things, and so I'm just praying that, that things will work out in the end, and I'll be able to stay online and still be able to come to you. So I just want to direct your attention. I was going to show this separately, but I wanted to wear it this morning because I have an appointment later on. But let me show you my little dress here this morning. This is one of my favorite little LuLaRoe dresses. And I accidentally washed it in the machine with something that shouldn't have been washed with. And it snagged a hole right up here. So I have... So sorry, y'all. Sorry about that. Anyway, I snagged a hole in it, and I just did not want to throw it away because it's my favorite dress. It's the only little red dress that I have. So I found these beautiful little roses and the little tiny ones in my little things that my friend Nora Dunlap had sent me. And I decided to recreate my dress. So I'm calling it Coming Up in Roses. So I have a couple of big roses coming down here on the side, and that covers up that little rip. And then I wanted to balance it out, so I put a rose here. And then I had some little ones that I cut apart to put here. And then on the pocket, didn't want it to, be alone. So I put another rose here with a little red gemstone in the middle. And then I had some lace that matched the front. So I don't know if you can see this or not, but I put a little lace on the top of the pocket. So I was real happy how it came out. And I saved my dress, and I'm able to wear it now. So I thought that was really, really cool. And so... I thought I would just share that with you this morning. You just didn't know you were going to get an earthquake when I dropped the camera. But, so yeah, that's how the week's going to go this week. Like I said, I will have a video out tomorrow for Halloween in August. Thursday will be my 24 weeks of Christmas, and then Thursday night live. I'm still not sure what we're going to do for Thursday night live right now. I may work on that Peter Rabbit journal, or I may do some other kind of project. If you have any suggestions, leave them below in the comments section. I really would appreciate that. I would like to do things that you want to see. And then Friday, I will have the rest of the reveal of my first project for scrapbooking with me for this month, for the August kit. And that will be... on Friday. And then please don't forget that I am still hosting a party for Deb Help from Deb's Crafty Cottage for Stampin' Up. Here is my information once again. This is the hostess code, and it runs until the 30th of August. So you have until August the 30th to place an order. And I hope that you will, if you are wanting some Stampin' Up! Products or anything, that you will go and not only support me, but support Deb Help too. We need to help our crafty friends out. And so, there we go. And I will have a video up sometime this week. I'm not even sure when. I'm trying to get together some more D-stashes. Haven't quite got together what I needed to, but I will. I also have a video coming out for my club members. I have done the coolest little ephemera book for my club members, And I wanted to do something totally different, and it is totally different. And so I'm excited about that. And that video will be coming out this week for my club members. If you're not yet a club member, it's real easy to do. There are different levels, but the smallest level is $5 a month, and that will give you access to all the videos and any PDFs that I print off with instructions for those videos. And then we have a $10 level and a $20 level. And so if you're interested in that at all, you can join anytime and quit anytime. I ask that you use PayPal, friends and family, and that is all there is to it. That way, nobody else gets a cut of anything, so that's why I like using PayPal. There's no reoccurring payment. You just do it when you want to. So if you're interested in that, if you have any questions, leave them below in the description, in the comment section, or you can message me on Instagram, which is The Crafts and More with Donna Jackson is my Instagram if you're not following me already. Or you can do me on Messenger on Facebook through our Crafty Club, which is our Crafty Facebook group, which is named appropriate, Crafts and More with Donna Jackson. And also, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, think about doing so by hitting that red button down there. Don't forget to tap the bell where you can be notified every time I upload a video, depending on how often you want to be notified.